Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to link a graph from Google Sheets to Google Docs. First, let's say you have this graph in Google Sheets. Click on the graph to select it, then click the three-dot menu on the top right of the chart box. Choose Copy Chart from the menu that appears. Now, open your Google Doc. Right-click where you want to paste the graph and choose Paste. A small pop-up will appear asking if you want to link to spreadsheet or paste unlinked. Click Link to Spreadsheet and then click Paste. Now, your graph is embedded into your doc and stays connected to the sheet. If you update the chart in Sheets later, you'll see an Update button in the doc so you can sync the latest version. For this example, let's go to Sheets to change the value of one cell. Now, let's go back to Docs and click on the graph. An Update button will appear on the top right. Click this and the graph will update automatically. So, that is how you link a graph from Google Sheets to Google Docs. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.